Hello friends, today I'll show you how to install on your Mac the latest version released by Apple called macOS Sierra. This version is for developers, and therefore, it's not recommended to install it, unless you are one of them, or you're curious. My recommendation is to install the operating system on an SD memory card. And then you can use your usual system normally, or use a second hard disk partition. First, we must know what Macs are supported. The list of Mac that support this version are what I'll show you on the screen. To install macOS Sierra, I recommend to make a clean install. We will need a USB flash drive or SD memory card, with at least 8 GB capacity. I recommend before proceeding with the following steps, make a backup with Time Machine or manually of your data. Well, let's start with all the steps. First, we need to make a dump of the operating system on a USB or SD, in order to create a bootable USB. In the comments I'll left the link to a BitTorrent with the OS. Now, we will download a software called Disk Maker, although this is not updated since leaving El Capitan. This is perfectly functional with macOS Sierra at the moment. From the browser, search Disk Maker. And then click in "What is this?" in order to download the file. Once the file has been downloaded, simply we'll open the software and drag it to the Applications folder and open it. Here, you can see El Capitan and that macOS Sierra didn't appears. Select El Capitan. Now, we'll introduce our memory card, a USB flash drive. As you can see, our memory card appears in the desktop. So, now, we will open the disk utility, select the USB and then, the Partitions tab. We click on the drop-down, and select one partition. The format of the card must be macOS plus registry. Click in Options and ensure that we choose Grid Partition Table, and finally, Apply Changes. Now, we've to open the operating system image that we have downloaded previously. From the Disk Maker software, click in the option, select an OS X application installation. We have to search the image that just opened. Now, select another kind of disk, to ensure that we'll erase the correct disk. Here, we select our USB or SD card. Now, we choose Erase, then create the disk. Here, we have to introduce our administrator password. Now, we must wait for the process to finish. Once the process have finished, we only have to restart the system, and press the Alt key to start the installation. Well, the installation have finished, and we need to configure the system to our liking. Once you have configured the operating system, we can use the latest operating system called macOS Sierra. Well, up here this tutorial. I hope you have been helpful. If you have any question you can ask me well in the comments or via email. Thank you very much to all, and if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Greetings to all.